Welcome back to the Productivity Podcast, where I give you a daily productivity tip so you can get the most out of your time, your talent, and your ideas. I'm your host, Brandon White. Here we go. You've probably heard the claims that essential oils will help improve your sleep, skin, boost your productivity, and even improve your mood. But do they really work? And as importantly, are they safe? Today, we'll cover what essential oils are, what are the best fragrances for different applications like better sleep, better improved mood, and a bunch of other benefits. And as importantly, we'll explain how to use essential oils correctly because there's a few words of caution you want to keep in mind. Let's dive in. Essential oils are highly concentrated plant extracts. They come from petals, leaves, rinds, grasses, and even wood. And they come in concentrates that you can put in diffusers and more diluted products that you can directly apply to your skin. We'll talk more about that in a minute. You'll also find them in the form of perfumes, candles, and even your favorite laundry detergent. And hey, this isn't some recent TikTok fad. People have used aromatherapy for thousands of years. In recent times, there's even actual science to back up their effectiveness. A recent study in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology entitled Essential Oils for Clinical Aromatherapy, a comprehensive review, found that using essential oils can increase neurogenesis, regulate hormonal levels, stimulate selective brain regions, and alter blood chemistry affecting your mood and emotions that can even promote slower, deeper breathing. And here's the thing. Fragrance from essential oils can affect more than just your mood. Here are a few popular essential oils that you can use to help with some common conditions. If you want to improve your sleep, use bergamot, lavender, and chamomile. If you want to improve your mood and increase your energy, any citrus oils like orange and lemon will work great, and also eucalyptus. If you need a little focus boost, try eucalyptus. It can help clear your mind and improve your mental clarity, making it easier to concentrate. If you need help with muscle relaxation, use lavender, citrus, rose oil, or sage. If you want to protect your skin from sun damage and aging, calendula and geranium are good go-to oils. Want to reduce some anxiety? Use chamomile, damask rose, citrus, or lavender. Need to reduce nausea? Use peppermint or ginger. Have a migraine or a really bad headache? Try lavender or peppermint. Now, here's 6 ways you can diffuse the oils. Number 1, aromatherapy. You can use a diffuser, you can wear an aromatherapy necklace, or you can apply diluted oils to a pillowcase. Now, be warned that oil may stain fabric, so test a small, unnoticeable area before you try that. Number 2, inhalation. Breathe in steam from a humidifier or a bowl of hot water that has a few drops of oil in it. Number 3, massage therapy. Mix a few drops of essential oils into lotion or another oil like sweet almond oil and rub it into your skin. Number 4, apply it directly to your skin. Spread diluted oils onto specific areas such as the forehead to help with headache pain, or if you're going to use something like eucalyptus, put that on your neck to open up your passages. And number 5, mix in with personal care products. You can add it to shampoos, conditioners, and even liquid soaps. All of these, as long as they don't already have a fragrance added. Number 6, you can add them to cleaning supplies. Add a few drops to homemade household cleaners and liquid detergents, or mix them with water and spray onto your clothes, upholstery, or carpets. Again, test a small, unnoticeable area before you try that. Now, before you go all in on essential oils, here's a few things you want to keep in mind to make sure you're using them safely. The federal government regulates essential oils as cosmetics, and as such, doesn't check them for purity or quality. So not all oils are made the same. Here's a few safety guidelines that you can follow. Buy from reputable brands that have many positive reviews. Make sure to keep undiluted oils away from flames and store them in cool places. They can be flammable. Never swallow undiluted oils or apply them directly to the skin without checking with your doctor. Some undiluted oils can be poisonous And some diluted oils can even cause rashes. For example, citrus oils can make your skin sensitive to sunlight. Next, always dilute essential oils. A good guideline to follow there is never have more than 3% concentration, and ideally you're shooting for around 2%. Check for allergies. Do a patch test with any new oil. Apply a small amount of diluted oil to a spot on your forearm. Wait 24 hours and see if you have any reaction. And if you do, make sure you contact your doctor immediately. If you have a breathing condition, inhaling essential oils may cause irritation. If you experience any adverse reaction, stop using that oil right away and contact your doctor. And a really important warning if you're a pet owner. Essential oils can be toxic to pets. Active oil diffusers spread micro droplets in the air that can get on pets' fur and make your pet sick. Even passive diffusers that absorb the oil and release scent should only be used in pet-free areas. You should avoid using essential oils entirely if you have pet birds or your pet has any breathing problems. Remember, animals have a much better sense of smell than humans. What may be pleasant to you may be overwhelming and or even toxic to them. As is the case with any supplement, talk to your doctor before adding essential oils to your routine. Just a splash of essential oil can change your mood, boost your productivity, and calm you down on a long day. Experiment with a few and put them to use. You'll be glad you did. Your move. Hey, real quick before you go, please remember to hit follow on your podcast player. You won't miss any episodes, and it helps support us bring you the show daily. Thanks for listening. We'll talk tomorrow.